Couple of things I actually like about Amatrol is the components from the e-learning really helps establish that foundational understanding. So the content is delivered through the e-learning components. There's voice support in the online material along with labs that they can do online. So the online material was stupendous. And then when they come in, the labs that they're doing is directly related to the e-learning that they've been going through online. When set up properly, like with what we have for AC/DC, they bleed right into each other. The Amatrol trainers themselves typically is off-the-shelf parts for industrial equipment. These are actual components that you will be working with in the field. And the fact that, yes, it's sized for what we're working with right now. The only difference between this and industry may be that the components you're working on are going to be bigger. The handful of things that aren't industry specific are that way for a reason. So like with the pneumatics trainers, the directional control valves that are used, they're not industry specific, but that's because they're made out of plexi or a polymer so they can be seen. So it really helps out with students getting comfortable with working with the equipment.